In 1997, scientists recorded a sound in the ocean. It was louder than anything ever detected underwater. They called it the bloop. No ship, no explosion, no known animal. The sound traveled over 5,000 kilometers. Whatever made it was enormous. For years, no one could explain it. Some believed it was a giant creature, something still hidden in the deep, something we have never seen. Later, scientists said it was probably ice breaking. But many still ask, what if it wasn't? Write in the comments.